All right, folks, today we're going to install solar panel and also solar panel fan for the Coop. Stay tuned. While you are watching, I try to cover it step by step. I hope you find it useful. But before installing the fan, you want to know where to install. So I decided to put it on top where there's no windows. This way, the air could be circulated that way. The fan, this is an exhaust fan. It will be able to pull air out from the outside. So I have windows on the bottom facing the run. It'll pull the air out from the bottom all the way up to the top because the heat rises. So I would be able to remove the heat that is trapped on the top. So I use corrugated roofing, and already some of the heat escapes through there. But having a fan would make it much more easier. So I copied out, basically I traced out where the fan is, the size of the fan, and now I'm using a level. But as you saw earlier, I did use a level also just to make sure the fan is leveled, because you don't want your project or your end game to be crooked one. So once I had that level, I had to chase out a inner portion of the fan where the fan would go on top of the wood and it would fit in place, because you don't want the cutout to be bigger than the fan. Then you'll have a big problem. So you want the cutout to be smaller than the fan, just enough to fit it. So there's many ways to skin the cat. There's many ways to cut the pieces of wood. Right now on my shed, I have this reciprocating saw, so I'm just using that. I mean, these saws are very good. You could use it for any type of cutting. I wouldn't recommend it for precision because the blade shakes and moves side to side. It's not an accurate, the line is not going to be straight. But if you're interested in getting depth center, lines and stuff, then you could use different saw. But I use this because this is something that I'm trying to do in the evening. I'm out there in the afternoon and it's kind of hot today, and I want to do something for the chickens, because they are hot. Imagine they have this jacket on. Their feathers are like a big jacket that they have on. So I want to help them with that. So what I'm doing is, with my son's help in the afternoon, we are just trying to say, you know what, since we have the fan, it just arrived, we bought it online, let's just put it on. So that's what we're doing. This is a quick project that we're doing, and I figure let me share it with you guys all. So maybe you might find it useful. So far, what we're trying to do is cut this open, and I don't want to mess anything up. We have framing inside. I built this coop with my son so that the predators are not, so that the predators don't have access to it. So it's built very strong. I would feel safe living there as well while the predators are out there. So as you saw, we did a cutout. Now this thing fits perfectly in place. That's why the saying goes, measure twice, cut once. So we measured twice, 3 times, but we only cut once because we don't want to make that mistake. But if you do, no big deal. You could always make adjustments. So this is the solar panel we have, and this panel is supposed to power this fan throughout the day, and it also has battery pack inside. So it charges the battery as well. So at nighttime, the fan will be running. We like to see this fan run throughout the summer because summer do get hot around here. If you like this video and you want to see more of the videos like this, please leave a comment. Let me know what else you want to see. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share with anyone that might find it interesting. Until next time. See you in the next video.